If you want to save money, take a look here. Since we were talking about saving money, let's check out my deals. Look at all the places you can save money. Over 1 million stores have discounts and locations to save money with Save Club. And if we go back into the system again, take a look here, you can see if you want to get your app on your mobile, you just click on there and it'll give you can put your app, download your app. And here you can see all your own information. Here you can see all your order history. Here you can see who's on your team. And once you click on here, after you start advertising, you'll see all the referrals you get, and you get a phone number and an email with each one. So if you want to follow up, you have all the information right there. And you can see who your roller is, but you shouldn't know who that is anyway. And then you go and you can see webinars. We have 3 webinars a week, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, and one on Friday. But let's say you can't make those times and you'd like to see what happened. You can go to YouTube. They have all the replays right there, so you don't miss anything if you go to YouTube and watch them. Then you can go into your back into the system again, and you can see all the training. This is a short video, about 10 minutes, gives you a kind of an introduction. And they also have a 90-day blitz, which you can watch one a day for 90 days if you want, however you want to do it. And then you have a compensation plan. Now here, if you go here and you click on this and you show somebody this, is a better way to do it than to try and explain the compensation plan to them. Then you go here and it shows you some more deals, some more places you can get deals and saving money on. Then you go back into the system again and you take a look at, let me see, I'm going to see what you're going to look, websites. They have, look, they call them websites. I prefer to call them landing pages or capture pages, and there's lots of them. And you can use as many as you want, depending where you send them. I use more than one, so it's entirely up to you which one you want to use. And I don't know if there's much more I want to tell you today. Anyway, I'm going to put my contact information underneath the video if you want to ask me more questions, and also a link to watch the webinar to get you more information. And I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So if I missed anything, we'll talk to you next week. Thank you for listening, and bye for now.